I'm gonna do whole nails and see how it's great turn out. And with this one, you can keep it for 30 seconds. On every single video, I always sharing it's really simple, quick, easy way for you at the salon. So like for instance, if you finish with a set of nails and then the clients really want something is really nice and quick in the time frames, this is something you can do really nice without it looks just like a plain chamfer foil. So 30 seconds, everyone. Lady Lacquer, hello. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey Jessica, I like your new profile. Hey, how are you? Just don't give us a hard time to answer the questions. Like if you have to leave for 5 items, go to like skip to the Iceland, we can't answer that. It's the hardest challenge questions ever. I need to zoom in. Okay, so it's really, I really like it. It's stunning that because this one is clear in the back. So when you see shiny sides, you're gonna lay it right on this side, but then if on the back is kind of a matte look, that's the one you're gonna place right on the top of the nail surface. So we'll see how this one gonna turn. Really interesting, I love that so much. Here you go. You can lay however you want, just the way you want it. And we'll see how this one turned out because I have really a strong pigmented, which is a gel polish background. This one will turn out really nice with soft pink as well. It's so stunning. Just give it good pressures. That looks stunning. Really cool and simple. And now I was going to do some crystal placements on that. You can see that how it's come right off. Transfer everything. And I'm going to using condensed glue gel. And for the first time, if you're using our condensed glue gels, it's really thick density, which is normal. Just blend it nicely and you see it's come out completely nice and smooth. It's really cute though. Put it away. And I will using the no wipe top coat on the top. Hey Lily, how are you? The question. Jessica, that's what you mean. You have one in your mind. So I am floating on the top, and I am gonna work with my, I need another tray. Can I get another tray? Okay, so today, well, from now until we always doing all different video tutorial, I am going to share with you a lot of different way to do with mixed bags, as well as with a different shape. And just why do I sharing that? Because you will never know, because the clients like this, because how I experience it's really a lot. The clients will like something that you will never even think, and there's like something is totally different. Instead of they seeing on the internet, like Pinterest or Instagram, so many things, but then they were asking for some shape or some different cool designs, and they don't mind. They like to get it customized. So that's the reason why I'm sharing it, because you will see the clients will do a lot of different separate a lot of different things than you would imagine it. So the same thing with, I will always assume the clients will like it, but then they will like, oh Nancy, I want this one. So if you have the clients will request for this, and don't hesitate to try something new with them, because they don't mind to pay for the really customized designs, because I need a smaller size of AB. Thank you. Okay. So I'm gonna do just on a little bit, like angle down, but I don't want. But I will find the S shape right here. It looks good. That's all I want. I don't want to be too much and taken away from the designs I really like. But also, sometimes you never know, the clients like don't want to do that, and they just want just a plain. This is some options for us. And let's say, do not afraid of to challenge yourself. I will do here you go. And today we're doing is like a S shape, I think. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. There's something on my bigger. Can Instagram sees okay? I like that. And if the classes don't want the beads on it, you can just doing a crystal and you'll be done. But if the class wants some more beads on it to make it looks like a jewelry look, I should do 3 of this instead of 1. It's really nice. If you want, you can do another ones right there, down here, or down here, however you want it. I think I'm gonna try it. Really cool though. I'm not afraid of to try something different. Get a piece of paper. Give it just right off. And I'm not afraid to try something different. It's totally different for me than usual, but I will take the challenge and see how it turn out. Great. And you can do this one in like a pink colors. I think it looks good as well. Pink, purple background, pink, or even white. White turned out really good. It's like a really light touch of the design. I'm excited to try this in different colors too. Great. I think I'm good. I'm gonna key this. If you're happy with this, we are going to key this together and adjusting it quick before. Let me move this one down just a little bit. Key this for 60 seconds. Great. And if you need to adjust anything, this is the best time to adjusting it before you key it, because then if you need to fix anything, you can do it right now before. I can see it closer to me now because it was a little bit further. As I have one more. One more crystal I want to place right there. Great. And I'm going to key it.